Hi, I'm Penelope Arthur from the Queensland Country Life office, and I'm out at the Roma store sale today where there's about 10,000 head in the yard. The market's definitely eased again here today under the weight of numbers. I just caught up with Cyril Close from Top-X Roma to talk me through what steers are making so far.
Oh yeah, there's just over 10,000, just around 10,000 head again here today. It's a very good quality yarding actually. There's a lot of softer cattle and the better conditioned cattle that we've probably seen. A bigger influence probably a local type cattle. Best of feed, heavy feeders so far sold have been just over $1.60. Your middleweight steers in that 300 bracket, they've been making in their 60s. The odd pen to just near 70 for special pens. And then the best of the weaners had some EU weaner Charolais cross steers made $1.90. They're probably just over 300 kilos.
Lightweight yearling steers under 330 kilos reached 190 cents and averaged 173, while plainer lines sold between 162 and 144 cents a kilo. Medium weight yearling steers in the 330 to 400 kg range made to 175 cents and averaged 165, and D-muscle sorts sold between 157 cents and 148 cents a kilo. Restockers were active and on the heavyweight yearling steers over 400 kilos, which reached 164 cents and averaged 160, and plainer sorts sold to around 149 cents. A few Rowan steers to feed sold between 139 cents a kilo and 130 cents a kilo, while those to processors sold to 150 cents. There'll be a full report in this week's Queensland Country Life, or read about it at queenslandcountrylife.com.